You'll win some and lose some, but you'll appreciate life with every rising sun.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So this is from the road trip from her birthday. She's 5. How old are you now?
5.
Yay! I can't believe I'm a 5-year-old, right? And it's time for her to have an addition to the family, right? You ready for your sister? Yes. Okay, so we going to Panda Express. And where else we went? We went to this beautiful lake. You're gonna see, oh my goodness. We went to see like different, stores and malls and different little kitty places. It was so adorable. But I just want to let y'all know that I appreciate y'all and thank y'all so much for all your support. And I hope you like this little clip. This is just a little snippet, okay? Because I had to literally stop and pull over just to let y'all know what's going on. But we having so much fun. I'm gonna put in the Six Flags trip also, and I'm gonna put in another clip, but this is what's in this video. It's just us on the road trip, going to Jersey, going back to New York, where I'm from. Y'all already know, BK all day. Okay, all right guys, well, hope you enjoy the video. Let go. Sweat. Okay, so we got some kind of honey shrimp. It was so good, but I totally didn't realize that I turned the camera. And like I said before, I promise I will get better with this. But your girl is waiting for her camera, okay? So y'all pray for me. But anyway, look at this coconut water on deck. Yeah. But it came up to like $10, I presume. And then this little box was so adorable, I had to get one. It's fortune cookies, but they stale, so I do not recommend them. Don't get them. Go to your local Chinese store, ask them for fortune cookies, because this is not it. Thank you. But that little teddy bear was so cute. Panda, 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 panda. I got bears in Miami, but I got, here, my little assistant here. So this is my rice. This is my food. You already know. Looking good, right? So that's what I got. And you already know Duncan on deck. Hey, Duncan. And this is like orange chicken. That's not for me, though. But this, honey, is it. Yes. And here go the stale fortune cookie. Like I said, I don't recommend it. So you want to do you, go ahead. But don't say I never warned you. But it was good. I mean, this is my first time having Panda. I'm not a big fast food person. But like I said, we was, on the road again. So that orange chicken, I don't know about you, but I'm from New York. And we do not eat nothing that looks like this. First of all, and second and third, no, and no. But yeah, look at these cups. Super cute. We were in this store, Froggy, Sweet Frog. Don't get me to lying, but that's the name of it, I believe. See, Sweet Frog. So it is a frozen yogurt store for kids. You can put your own toppings on it. So cute. You see what I'm saying? There you go. So they have it down south. They have it in PA. You could get it. I think they have it. They have it in Maryland. They have it in Virginia. They have it all over the place. Go get yours, but they don't have it in New York. Yeah, so that, like I said, down south. Listen to what I'm saying. So it was good. I got cake for her, cake batter, and you already see I didn't know what I wanted to get, but here we are. We reached the final destination. Yes. And have y'all seen that new movie, Final Destination, honey? I am here for the tea. Let me know in the comments. I love me a good horror movie, and I saw all Final Destinations 1 to 5 or 6, but I need to see this one. Yes. And I saw the preview, so if you look on YouTube. Yes, baby.
Can we go there?
Yeah, we could go back to Sweet Frog. Did you like it? Did you like the cherries? Look. With a cherry on top. Ew. So they so she loved it. It was fun. And they give you a little shirt, so cute. It's this little green shirt with the frog, of course. But your girl has a sweet tooth. You see me pouring them cherries in there. So I thought if I put the cherries in, then I put the ice cream covering it, the frozen yogurt, like, I didn't know they weigh it. So joke's on me. Because they still found out I still paid for it. Yeah. But it's all good. You know, once my baby girl is happy and smiling, hey, I mean, being her mom is everything. So I can't wait. Baby number 2, 3, and 4, honey, and then I'll be done. But yeah, y'all already know I had to get my sprinkles on. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Them sprinkles look good, right? Okay. I know she getting excited, but we had to pull over, and this was so pretty. Like, I had to stop. Yeah, I didn't even know where I was, but look how pretty it is. And let me show you. Let me give you a second. Look. Oh, you hear the angels singing. Oh, look at the clouds. So pretty. Oh my goodness, I love it. Oh, here your girl go. In 3, 2, 1. Boom. Oh, here I go. See? Because I'm like, wait a minute. I know I put myself in here somewhere. Here we go. Ew, hey, girl. Hey, y'all. Y'all look good. Y'all look good. Hello. Hey, sunshine. Y'all already know I had to eat. Okay? So, thanks for watching, though. But I had to eat. Get me something to eat. Okay? And call it a day. But anyway, guys, I will see y'all in my next video. But this so far, I'm going to just keep showing y'all the rest of my road trip. But anyway, guys, my little princess wants my attention. So I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys. Say bye, guys.
Bye-bye.